All right, what is going on, everyone? Welcome to the Angelo Carlos podcast. We have my friend Joey here, who is actually a software engineer at Google. One of the coolest guys I've met. He's going to go over his whole career and how he went from mechanical engineering to software engineering. So very excited to kind of learn about that process. Joey's actually based in the Bay Area at Google. So really excited to pick your brain, Joey, and welcome to the podcast. How are you doing today, man?
I'm good. I'm good. By yourself?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you for asking. I know you said you're kind of working. How was the food today at Google? Anything good today for lunch?
Yeah, actually, funny enough, I actually came into the office after lunch, so I should have came earlier for the free food, but yeah. Oh, well. Sometimes I'm like, I'm too lazy. I'll go into the office later, but yeah.
Yeah. No, I agree. Sometimes you just go a little later. And I know 6:30 they kind of have dinner. And the SFO
Right.
office has like the best food. Everything's all plated too, right? So I think you should be good to go, right? And you get to go.
I don't know if it's the best. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay. It's all right.
All good. Where's your favorite food at Google, by the way, before we start the pod? Where are you like?
Where? I'm not sure actually. I've mostly eaten in around the SFO camp, like built offices. But I heard there's some pretty unique stuff in South Bay, like the ones where like it's a sit down restaurant basically. Yeah, so I haven't tried
Yeah,
those. So, yeah.
definitely. You should definitely try those. I know Levain, that's like a French restaurant in MP, so in Sunnyvale.
Okay.
You should. I think you like that. That one's not so much sit down, but definitely the best quality of food I think I've had there. So you're in a good spot, man. But
Cool.
yeah,
Cool.
I appreciate you joining the podcast, my friend. We're gonna jump right into it. Joey's gonna go over his experience as an engineer, and first we're gonna talk about kind of his background, how he got into everything. So why don't you tell us about yourself, Joey? Where did you go to undergrad? Did you do any internships during your time in undergrad? Feel free to take the stage, my friend.
Sure. Yeah. So uh, I let me so as a background, I did mechanical engineering as my undergrad degree, well, the first undergrad degree. I sort of just fell into engineering. My parents kind of wanted me to study science or something, but uh, that's a path to to go to like medicine or something. Then my dad was a doctor, but like I knew like that wasn't really for me, and I kind of like to build things and stuff. So uh, yeah, I just decided to do engineering. And after first year engineering, I had to choose my major, and I decided to go on mechanical engineering because we had access to a machine shop, so where I can like fool around and build things and stuff. Uh, Maybe not the best reason to choose a major, but there we have it. From there, I did a bunch of internships. Some of them I did well in, some of them I didn't. I remember one of the ones I did. I'll talk about a couple of them. There's one I did where it was in the aerospace industry, and it was the role I worked in was like lean engineering. So like Six Sigma, that kind of things, how to maximize productivity, reduce waste, that kind of thing. Hence lean. And from that, I sort of like realized that aerospace is not like that cool. It was, sorry, let me be specific. It was aerospace manufacturing. So manufacturing, they were manufacturing for Boeing or Lockheed Martin or whatever. And I remember senior engineer telling me that they had to change the size of these like clearance holes in one of the parts, and it took him like 30 minutes to do that, to change the drawing, change the model, change the drawings and stuff, and took him the rest of the week to get it, to talk to Boeing, get it like stamped by Boeing.
Yep.
I'm like, yeah, this is like, not the job for me. It's way too slow. And I did some other internships I did well in, and then I had an interest of the aerospace.